Wow, what's going on? Leaving off from the other day where we had all of the guttering done. We've got marquees up everywhere. Celebrations are taking a hold in our little homestead. So everybody's now getting busy putting up marquees, ready for the big day. It's my mother-in-law's 80th birthday, if you didn't know, so everybody's busy. Everybody's just doing something. This is what years of experience of making sticky rice shows you. Carefully measured out. Each one of these trays, they hold a certain amount of rice. My mother-in-law knows exactly how many levels of salt she needs by counting them out. Once that is done, she will then add them to the sticky rice and then blend it together before adding all the other ingredients and boiling it. It's something that experience can. It's the only answer. It's not the best day. It's been raining all night. Everybody's busy. Oh, there's my hand in the way. Everybody's busy.
Ay, salamat. Pumadi ka na. Sumigibol mo din ah. Ito, nagasin sa di. Pagkasaw-saw eh. Ha? Nagasin ka sa di. Pagkasaw-saw. Oo. Nasaw-sawan mo na? Oo. Kasi dakot sarang kares. Na ano, may ari-kurong ka na? Ayun, ari-kurong. Sisa nag-ari-kurong? Ah, okay. Ano yun, hinalo mo na? Ito, Ura pangani ko. Latot, magalatik pa. Masararigon ko, ari-kurong ni nanay nilo. Gabrown out baga? Gabrown out nga ni. Wala, kaming tulos ng anak nun, tapos sa dinuguan. Talasin ko baga. Din si Alan may kukumlo ka rin yung bukas na Gian! Gian!
Para chat na yun sa akin kaysa mga shooting.
Ano gusto? Wala, pero may piganapan. Nagre-reklamo nga, sabi niya, Mama Ros, bakit ganito daanan dito? Pero yung paakyat, puro paakyat. Si Mama Ros lang pababa. Si Mama Ros pa niyan, sige-sisi. Yun na nga.
It's malunggay.
Pati nga si Ma'am Cho, tinatanong ako.
Si Alan may kutulukay.
Umalis na, ma!
Padarali po ito naman ka rin dito.
Ma!
Hindi ka nagdanaya mo na yan. Baliktad.
Ganyan ang daan.
Parang mat matugasan na.
Grabe siya.
Basher talaga kasi
Baka daw ako.
Gracie kan tinda ko lagi ka na niwa.
Ay, pares ka mo ni Rose Bariles. Sabi niya sa amin eh. Araw-araw yan, sabi niya. Grace, ang tagal mo na nagtitinda kay Rose. Hindi ka na niwang, sabi niya. Wala na kang tumataba. Araw-araw, nagtinda yan kasi sa sunod.
Tablang tayo ngayon.
Magawa din.
Yeah, that's like just too low.
Yun yung mababa.
Paano yan? Mababa. Pagdadaan magaganon siya. Yuyuko.
May tataas. May tataas pa. Pero ito lang may tataas to.
Mayroon.
Oh, mayroon.
Ah.
Mayroon siya dyan.
Pagkalagay ng sapat. Hindi, truko ka na ba?
Hindi, hairstyle.
Yeah, yeah. What I'm thinking.
Ayan mo na kasi si Grace. Marunong na. Business natin ngayon. Nakita niyo siya.
Uy, solo. Yeah, correct. Tama.
Tinataas mo. Nga ng baboy ko.
Oops.
O nga, ang galing nyo. Kay Salcido pala yan.
Magpapabayad. Sabi daw kasi
Yan, pati yung mga tindahan yan.
Say hi. Shout out to your mom. What's the name of your mommy?
Up, listen up. Oh, more.
Yeah, just to start with. Just to start, yeah. One way to earn your lunch.
Hindi ka na Bok, apa?
Okay na siya, no?
Tignan na naman ng bayan. Tignan lang yung kora pa kung bakal dito. Ayan. Imulay na mo si Dayan. Sabi.
Anong ginagawa ni Mama Milba?
Sisil daw siya. Si Ana.
Bigar-garog mo.
Sabi ko, shout out. Shout out. Who is your mommy? Mama Che.
Ayan. Ayan si Mama. Ano mo nang gawin? Ano na ba ako tayo ni? Binalad para bakuragin ito.
Hindi nagkukusi ko yung hindi bilang.
Hindi sa nito. Naghanap pa yun. Ay, kandila pala. Wala pa. Sabi ko nga si Bigay, maganda na yung maliliit lang yung dating.
Oh, good in there. Hello. Yeah. Water flows that way. Okay.
Tingko na. Magkakaon. Hindi ka mag...
Just in case.
Alay.
Watching my mother-in-law just prepare.
Ano yan? Panalo.
Sabi na yan, Be, pag
The palm
nangyari
leaves
tayo, bili daw
they
tayo ng
used
car.
for the sticky
Para
rice
pag tayo
pouches.
papanalo ng
So
natin
they
dito.
prepare them by cleaning them, opening them,
Lagi na nabanggit yan.
and then when they've done that,
Pag nakakita siya, malaking bagay kung ito na yan.
into these little pouches.
Gandang car, wow.
Where
Naguro na,
Kasi guma.
they're filled with sticky rice and then steamed.
Wala nga, may tapos muna siya. Para kung may matalino siya.
Nasa lahi naman, matalino.
Pero ang star niya,
Intricately folded.
kasama niya, isa, may iba wala. Kaya araw-araw yan, hindi tigil star niya.
Matanong ng tao.
Ano yan, pwede yan siya
Age-old tradition,
investigador.
handed down from generation to generation. So the top is folded over, it's pleated back,
Ginamit mo itag.
Ayos na, Noy?
Nasaan ito ginamit mo itag?
Ay, ma.
Mababa dito.
and then a piece of string is attached.
Mamaya.
Mataas na dito.
Tatakas na naman daw Mama Rose.
Nasaan na naman yan? Papatayin ko na talaga yan.
There's another one finished.
Nakaka-stress nila.
And there's another one ready. And this is done over and over and over and over again. Like 300 times. I think they're doing 300 today.
Kaya mo siya.
And my
Yan, maya mo na.
80-year-old mother-in-law has been doing this all her life. And there's not a woman that doesn't know how to do it better than my mother-in-law.
Tanungin mo siya saan siya.
Using a traditional knife called a bolo.
Pilipinas, sa mapa ng Pilipinas. Diyan kasi tayo sa mga mapa pala yun ng Pilipinas.
She like Philippines.
She loves Philippines. Because it's like Filipina.
Because Filipinos is exotic.
Dali, ano, mahal po tato niya siguro, no?
Sobra naman bakit naman tayo. So,
Kaya pala.
Kasi
Bakit
kakain.
yung isa?
So,
Ano yung
May makikita ka ba sa ibang bansa na
so when Mum's finished doing that, oh hello, don't want to see, oh me too close. Whoa. So
nag-ikot sila?
when my mother-in-law's finished doing that, what happens is that they're cut and shaped, and what you get is you get a little pouch. And from the little pouch, oh, watch I don't bang my head again. What they do is they make little pouches.
Kung kamukha ni
Ni Bijin, may hawig. Inax naman, kamukha mo pala kuya si Bijin.
So once the pouches have been formed and folded, then the sticky rice is put
Pero
inside,
matatapos
as you can see.
Si Milba, si Arvin. Pagdating naman kay Long. Kay Long yan. Si Mrs. Si Amboy.
Sino ang pinakamaganda?
Pinakamaganda. Hindi ka
Wrap.
magsabi. Siyempre yung asawa ko.
A little notch at the bottom, and the notch is at the bottom for the string. So the string is attached, rolled.
Ay, ba?
Nahuli.
And when that's done, then what you do is just cut the rest off,
Sinabi ko ba
throw it in that bag,
Ay,
and then it gets steamed.
na kasi wala yun.
Parang sila na ilong ni Arvin.
Dalawa na naman ang mga tamo.
Si MJ mataba lang eh, pero gwapo si MJ pag ano.
So the boys will be finished with the bamboo. Oh, I'll do that one again. So the guys are going to be finished soon doing this bamboo construction, which is now behind me. So they've been doing that most of the morning. What's going to happen is they're going to put a tarpaulin over the top of that. So if it does it does rain, which is forecast, it's not always as sunny as this in the Philippines. We've had a couple of days of rain, so we haven't really done a lot, and we haven't really vlogged a lot. But hey, you can't have everything. Such is life in the province. So, in the distance a little bit, just that there, that's the tarpaulin that's going to go straight up on top. So when we have our guests tomorrow, I think there's going to be well over 100. It's going to be a really, really, really special day. We've got 2 birthdays and we've got a graduation to celebrate. So the main event is, of course, my mother-in-law. She is a godly 80 years old, and you wouldn't believe it to look at her. Every day she works, every day she's doing something. Then there's the niece of my wife. She graduated with honours, so that's to be celebrated. And her mother, Celine, it's her birthday as well. And it's actually her birthday today. So, happy birthday, Celine. Hope you've had a good day. I know you've been busy, but it's all going to be worth it in the end.
This is cordon bleu. Chicken cordon bleu. Yes. First, coated with flour. Oy, mag-English kayo.
I'll probably get copyrighted, but I don't care.
Okay, go. Next, coated with egg.
We egg wash the chicken.
And then, breadcrumbs. Sakto lang ha, pati egg ah.
Next, we will cook.
Moro pa. Actually, pati yung ano dito natin ako. Yung mga chicken. Kasi na umaga yun. Maaga lang tayo.
We are egg washing the cordon bleu.
Tayo na may
We're
done. Last one.
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Banana.
The big one.
Oh, we're done. Yung ano doon.
Ayun sila.
Oh, kayo.
Wala yung mga itlog.
Be, kahapon ka pa niyan, Be, ha?
Tagal ko yan. Oh, sasayawan mo ang Be.
Ay, sayaw ko, sayaw ko.
May camera dito. post ko sa TikTok.
Kaya nga.
Wait, Papi Jeep. Ang cellphone ko.
Nagalit, nagalit, nagalit.
Alright, thank you, thank you. Okie dokie. I'm glad I can help. Hey,